how to turn off private message notification stream on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off private message notification stream on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down, and here you will find settings. Click on it and now click notification, and here you can find this one, private message. You can just turn it off if you want to turn it off, and you can turn it on again just by one click, and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.